Meet the LAUNCH EVP711, all-in-one battery charge and discharge machine. Maximum charging power 4.4 kilowatts and maximum discharging power 7.2 kilowatts. It supports fast charging with high efficiency and easy operation and enables precise control over cell voltage and temperature. Step 1. Quick and easy connection. Power on. Link the voltage acquisition box. Connect high voltage cables and cell voltage clips. Step 2. Discharging test setup. Tap discharging test on main screen. First, fill out basic battery information. Enter the pack module number. Select battery type and nominal capacity, and set cell quantity. The EVP711 supports a maximum of 72 cells. Then, set discharge current, pack terminal lower limit voltage, single cell lower limit voltage, discharge time, discharge capacity, and cell dropout voltage. Tap Save to confirm. Turn on the DC switch. Click Start Test to run. Real-time data monitoring for every cell. That's the complete operation of this EVP711 battery discharging test. In our next video, we will show you the step-by-step charging test operation of the EVP711. Stay tuned!